Alright guys, so again, some more stuff for long tube headers. Alright guys, so what is happening? After seeing the quality and loving the sound of the new axle back, the Scorpion axle back from long tube headers, couldn't resist. I had to go and finish this exhaust off by ordering the rest of the exhaust, which is the X pipe and the midsection pipes. Awesome stuff so far. I expect this to be no less than awesome as well. The Titan finish looks really sharp. Another thing I noticed was that the fit and finish of the exhaust system was perfect. It lined up well. I mean, it is dead even on both sides, and I didn't have to do hardly any adjustments. It just really lined itself up well. The hangers are well placed. Everything is well thought out on the exhaust. You can see here, it's got the Titan finish. 15 to current GTs on the S550 platform. That's what this system is. For the car having a free-flowing exhaust now, the Scorpion axle back has been the ticket so far. It's really deep. We'll see if it gets any louder putting the X pipe. The Scorpion axle back still has the factory piping all the way back to the H pipe, which is from Steeda, and then of course the free-flowing exhaust from Lethal Performance. So let's go and open this up and see what's inside the box. There it is, guys. It's going to be complete system from LTH now. Really the only thing I'm missing now is actual long tube headers on the car, because I'm still running the stock manifolds with some Lethal Performance free-flowing exhaust pipes that are going to connect to the factory setup here again, and all of this should just snap right together and everything should be good to go. The system is currently pretty deep, and it's probably deeper because I still have the H pipe on it, but we're going to see. You know, that's supposed to be the characteristic of the Scorpion exhaust system. It's supposed to eliminate drones due to the resonator built into the Scorpion axle back, the mufflers. So we'll put that to the test. Hopefully it'll get rid of the little bit of drone that I do have in there. But again, I expect it to have a little bit of drone just because I have, you know, modified the exhaust with a free-flowing setup. So that alone, you know, with no resonator, it's going to change the way things are designed to work when they were engineered. So we'll see how this turns out, what it sounds like, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So stay tuned. I'll be back when the system's all buttoned up and on the car, and we'll go ahead and take a listen for the first time together. And I'll see you guys in a while.